In this video, I will share with you how to remove your MacBook login password. So step one, click on this little Apple icon from this corner. Select System Settings. Now scroll down to Users and Groups. And here next to your MacBook profile or account, click on this little eye icon. Now next to password, click on Change. Here fill in only your current password and don't and skip the new password or the verify field. Click on change password and you will see this pop up. You did not enter a password for this user account. Are you sure you want to do this? Anyone will be able to log into your computer. Stored fingerprints will be removed for this user account. And here, if you click on continue, your MacBook login password will be removed. So this is the first method to remove completely your login password. There are another method that lets you log in without a password, but without removing completely your password for your account, which is selecting here next to automatically log in as, select the profile that you want to automatically to be logged into without requiring a password. In my case, this is my account. It's called Air15. Fill in your password and hit unlock. Automatically log in as Air15. So fill in your password again and hit OK. Turning on automatic login will disable Touch ID and remove any Apple Pay cards from this Mac. You won't be able to use Apple Pay for yes, click on continue. And with this setup, your MacBook account will still have a password that protects it, but once on MacBook startup, you will automatically log in without requiring a password. And this is how to remove a MacBook login password. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.